invincible.
Able to conquer the world and eviscerate your enemy.
What would you do if you found chicken cheese in your boot? I'll probably get in the boot, eat it, and get out like Michael Jackson.
What you saying, MH? Thank you. What you saying, chat? I'm sending the links in now. What you saying, boys? What you saying, chat? Let me know who's in here, boys. Monday morning, let's get it, man. That's annoying. Low key, I had to set this up because I've got my phone on charge. It's actually going to be able to set up. What we saying though, chat? Morning, boys. What we saying? Sound cutting in and out. Are they good, bro? Is it good or is it still moving? Let me know, chat. Is my mic fixed or is it moving a bit mad? Morning, though, everyone. What we saying, boys? What we saying, boys? Alright, what we saying, chat? Morning, everyone. Morning, everyone. What you saying, MH? Morning, MH. Kleb, Daniel, Dayton. What you saying, Kia? Jed, what you saying? VGOT, KH, Simple Gamer, Warren, Universal, Mehmet. Morning, everyone. Morning, Reality. Morning, Henry. Morning, hope your weekend was good. Just had a quick 1 to 2 UCAD shorts. Not much happening on my favourite pairs at the moment. Mike is fine. Alright, sweet. Yeah, this is a decent ALG in my opinion. It's a decent ALG. Morning, morning, Mags. It's a decent ALG. It's a risky one to be jumping in on Monday, but sometimes you've got to take that risk, boys. Right, let's see how this one runs anyway. Are you looking valid? Yeah, it's looking valid for me, bro. Sound is thumbs up. Ben, Cami, J Shad, Tahir, Shane, Thanos. What you saying, boys? I'm looking at EC right now. Morning, bro. GU cleaner, no. Well, they're both just moving bullish right now, so it might even get taken out. But yeah, just based on the higher time frame, volume is really why I prefer EU, but it is a risky one. And obviously Monday's normally just mention, bro. How comes EU over GU? Just because based on the higher time frame, I want to see us reject off this low volume area. We just don't want EU to extend higher past that. I'd rather us reject off this low volume area and then trade back into this area of volume. Otherwise, we're clearly in a downtrend. I mean, we've had this big bullish candle, but it's just one candle, so hopefully we can get it rejected. As I said, if not, it is what it is, chat. But yeah, in terms of the 4 hour as well, trying to really look for a 4 hour POI. Obviously, we've got the range high, range low. So we've got this 4 hour order block here. Don't get me wrong, it would be a lot nicer to short off this order block, which may be what happens in the end. But morning, Thailand trader, what you saying, bro? Stu. What's the Paris EU, bro? EU, bro. We want to really be trading into this low. Swept this candle's high, so we want to trade into this candle's low. Bit laggy, mad lag. Okay. Right, apparently we're lagging, chat. What pair? EU, bro. Yeah, let me know if it's still lagging, boys. Let me know if it's still... Fair play, bro. Exactly in the best place, but... Hopefully if we can get a decent close on the 1 hour, like a CRT on the 1 hour, will be a little bit alright. Obviously just don't want this to invert. If this fair value gap gets inverted, then could be curtains. But we'll wait and see for that anyway. As I said, it's really just our typical ALG setup, which we knows a profitable strategy. So if we take an L trade in it, there's nothing really wrong with that. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, man. We'll see how it goes, chat. Freezing couple seconds. You keep pausing. Mate. It's very annoying. YouTube lagging a bit, it keeps pausing. It's fine right now. Bro, I think a lot of people's watching our videos over Christmas. Which is good. It's sick, man, to see people lock in over the Christmas time. It's sick to see people lock in like that. Right, hopefully we can have a bit of a rejection. Sweep of Asia high, and then we look for a continuation buys. This one for me is looking more like an Asia sweep, where we sweep the high and then trade down into the low, which is the setup we're looking for. This 4 hour order block here, which we've tapped into. So again, I want to see this be the internal for EU. So I want to sell off to this candle's low into this fair value gap, really. But essentially, yeah, I want to sell off from this order block in line with the current trend. And then obviously at this low volume point on a higher time frame. So it's a point where we should really have a bit of a distribution, to be honest. Like we're here, not a distribution, but where it's such low volume at this point, we know that there's not really, obviously, I'm personally bearish, so I want that nice reaction, but I'm looking for EU shorts. Fair play, bro. Yeah, they are definitely... Everyone run over to the TikTok real quick while I sort this YouTube stream. I don't know why it lags, bro. Genuinely don't know why it lags. But yeah, chat, any other pairs you man are in, let me know. Appreciate all the follows, boys. I'm looking for EU shorts. Fair. Is the lag stopped, chat? 1 in the chat if I'm still lagging, 2 if it's stopped. What do you think about putting TP at range low? Or is it too much? I'd say it's a little bit too much, bro, because I mainly just want price to reject off this area and start trading back within here. I don't know what we're really going to do over the New York session. We'd like it to continue to sell off, but it is early in the week. So, as we said, it's unlikely we get a big distribution. We're more likely to get price to sort of manipulate and chop about. which is kind of fitting with what we're looking for. So I wouldn't really aim for the range low. I mean, we'll worry about getting into into any profit first. Restart the YouTube. What are we saying, chat? Should I restart it? Is it that laggy? Yeah. Because whenever I pull it up, it don't lag. It's really annoying. Alright. I think I'm going to have to restart the live. I've got it on my screen here and it doesn't lag at all. It's so hard to actually... It's stopped now. You're not lagging out, your voice is just cutting out. Let me oh right, it's just the audio. Right, let me put the mic, let me unplug the mic and put it back in. Right, I don't know if it was my mic, but I actually just sorted it. Mums, you ain't trolling either. Yeah, no, to be fair, I could tell because everyone says it. Everyone was saying it. I'm favouring that too. What's that? Would be a cleaner set. What's that, Henry? Just joined, so I don't know if you said, but I feel G, you're going to move, take the 4 hour before it's bearish move. What 4 hour, bro? Yeah, what 4 hour are you looking for it to take, bro? Nah, it's not the audio of the whole stream. Yeah, you're lagging hard. Oh my days. Bro, don't. This is so jarring. Should I Alright, let me restart the stream then. I'm staying on TikTok. Cool. Everyone run through to the TikTok, boys. Everyone run through to the TikTok. I should restart too if I should firm it. Alright, let me just... She got a decent amount of views on there as well. It's actually kind of jarring restarting. What pair's this? This is EU, bro. Miro, it's not doing the best right now though, so... Oh, bro, am I really going to have to restart? It's actually jarring. No one's really saying restart, so... No one's really saying restart, so I feel like I should just firm it and just let it unlag. I don't think it's actually going to solve anything.